for you. Today we got pop squat prop walks. Okay, so you can use a ball or any other prop that you can hold on to with 2 hands. Let's get it going. We're going to start off close to an anchor point. Set the prop aside for now. We're going to come up into an exposure. And we're going to do 5 Malasana squats close to the anchor point. So coming down all the way to Malasana. If you want, you can bring your hands together. Placement on the feet is at the top of the arches, bottom of the ball. Come back up. Come down. Come back up. Have a drishti point. Help you focus. Doing 5 here on the anchor. Okay, and then we're going to do 5 in the middle of the line. So you can see what that's like. The line moves a little bit differently in the middle than it does on the anchor point. Coming up into the middle and giving me 5 more Malasana squats. That's progression 1. Okay, 5 of those. I'm going to move on to progression 2. Progression 2, we're going to start close to an anchor point. Come up into an exposure again. Give me 1 Malasana squat. All the way down. All the way back up. And we're going to step to the left. Another Malasana squat. We're going to call these ones roaming Malasana squats. Okay, all the way across the line. That's progression 2. All the way there, all the way back. I'm going to save you time on the video and just go there. Okay, all the way there, all the way back. Progression 2. Moving on to progression 3. Now, here comes the prop. Same as the first exercise, except we're going to be holding a prop with both hands. Okay? Minimize our arm movement. Coming up into an exposure. Both hands on the prop. Give me 5 Malasana squats here. The anchor. And then give me 5 Malasana squats in the middle of the line. Okay? That's progression 3. 5 here at the anchor. And 5 here at the middle of the line. Again, we train the anchor in the middle because it's a little bit different. The line moves a little differently and acts a little differently. So we want to get practice in all the areas. So 5 Malasana squats here, holding the prop with both hands the way down and the way up. I even like to squeeze the prop sometimes. Helps activate all the muscles necessary to be on the line. Moving down the line, progression 4. You know what it is. We're going to roam across the line, holding the prop, doing Malasana squats. Okay? It's a big build-up, good workout for the legs. Holding the prop with both hands. Malasana squat at the anchor. Up. Take a step. Malasana squat. So we're popping a squat with a prop, and we're walking. Woo. Have fun with this one. Work through all those progressions and your legs will be burning. Feeling it. Send us your videos. Want to see how you're progressing, SLACKROBATS? Peace. Progression 4. There and back.